Wondering what are the top trending accounting courses in 2025? Then I got you covered. So do watch the video till the end. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and the Indian Sea. As we all know, there are a lot of changes in trend technology in 2025 and so are the jobs of 2025. What are the top new trending jobs in accountancy and finance is what I'm discussing in this video. So please stay tuned till the end. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like the video and share it with more finance people. So first and foremost, gone are the days when traditional accounting, auditing, taxation are a go-to course for any CA or ACCA. Nowadays, there is a huge change. If I talk in terms of accounting, the major change is AI. A lot of accounting is now done by AI. So gone are the days where you have to manually pass entries. But now, what is the career options for you is to be an AI expert, to know what are the different types of AI tools which are applicable for different organizations in terms of accounting, and now how to use these tools for doing data analytics. That's the major change or trend with accounting using AI. Second of all, if I have to talk about auditing, now yes, traditional auditing is still effective, is still something which has a lot of opportunities, but the new opportunities are in ESG audit and sustainability. With every investors emphasizing so much on sustainability, ESG, these are definitely the newest area of auditing. So please know them well, and this could be your niche area to be picked up in auditing. Lastly, moving on to taxation. Again, guys, gone are those days when you will get work to file your return. We all know there are a lot of robotics, AI involved in filing a return. I don't think that is your go-to course in taxation as of now. Now, what you should be focusing in taxation is global taxation. So if there is a transaction happening in multiple countries, how does taxation look like? How does transfer pricing look like? How does double taxation look like? That is your go-to taxation field, because guys, in the world of technology, people are working across multiple nations, not just in a single nation. So that's one field, and second field is definitely your tax assessment. That is still the field to go. Though there is AI that's come into this field, but still you can look at developing a niche in this area. So guys, these are the trending accounting and financial courses, or the trending job opportunities in 2025. So do develop these skills, build your niche. So I hope you found this information useful, and guys, again requesting to please like the video, share it with more of your friends, and do drop in a comment below if you require any sort of assistance in your financial journey. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.